Hey everyone, David here again with another quick unboxing, and as you can see, I haven't even taken it out of the box. I cut it open real quick, but I have not taken it out of the box. These are two fragrances from Neandertal Perfumes, that is Dark and Light. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. Alright, nice little note here. Always really cool, and they have a little note. It's pretty neat. I love the stonework there, pretty cool. What this is. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open it up. Got my pointiest kind of angular knife that I have. My 0456 from ZT. That is really cool. Wow. Man, they put a lot of time and effort into making this. That is really cool. Got some more samples here. Pretty cool. Really cool. Look at these. All right, now let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this thing real quick. All right, let's see, how does this open here? Oh, there we go. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. It's like vacuum sealed. On the front here it says, this stoneware perfume bottle is individually handcrafted by the artist. Each bottle is unique and numbered digitally. That is really cool. I did not know, first of all, I did not know that these are unique. I also didn't know that these were like stoneware. I thought these were plastic, but as you can see, yeah, it's definitely like a ceramic type of material. Really cool. Wow. So that obviously is light. It has a light motif. I love this packaging. This is incredible. Let's put that there. Golly. I've never felt like being more careful about holding perfumes in my life. I feel like I don't want to hold these the wrong way or drop them. If you're wondering, the cap is actually not very heavy. It just feels like ceramic of some sort. I don't mind that. I imagine that it's probably more trouble than it's worth to making a really heavy cap that's surrounded by ceramic. So, but that's really cool. Well, that's all I have for that. Of course, if you haven't already watched the first impression, I'll have it up here. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. I'm David with Fragrance Bros. Bye.